What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JD, Josh Chicken, She Loves Sleeves, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into the video, make sure I go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, hit the bell, scroll up here always so you get notified every time I upload, man. Today we got ridiculous boat ramp and boat fails you've ever seen. Now, I know it's the summertime. In summertime, everyone brings the boats out. Everyone's on top of the lake. Every single holiday weekend, Memorial Day, Labor Day, it don't matter. They on the lake. 4th of July, they on the lake. Weekends, they on the lake. Everybody on the lake.
Today we are looking at idiots at the boat ramp.
Like,
Today we are looking at idiots at the boat ramp.
Of a van. Oh, not the pontoon. No, oh, she saved herself? Yes, sir. She saved herself. How did you do that? Bro, what happened?
This man devised the ideal method for loading his fishing boat onto the back of a van, and it worked flawlessly.
Nah, that nigga's different for that. That's different. Never see somebody do that. What is he doing? Okay, is he unloading the boat?
The owner of this boat thought he could James Bond his way onto the ramp, but he didn't consider the implications, and his speedboat's bottom was trashed.
Ruined the speedboat. Oh no. No.
Free car wash, including inside.
Flooded the whole engine.
Passengers on a whale watch.
The boat, you see a giant cruise ship coming into bay, this hot, and y'all are in the way of this boat.
Ship witnessed a horrifying sight.
Look at 'em.
7 passengers were injured when the ship
Somebody
slammed
Somebody get grandma.
into a port in San Diego.
Get her out the way. Oh my god. Take his boating license away. He just tried to kill everybody. Bro, what is he doing? Oh, what are they? Nah, they. Oh! Maybe something. Be glad everybody on that boat. What are you doing? Engine, car done. Just flooded your engine. You're stuck. You're stuck. Flooded your engine up.
Easy on it. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Easy on it. The car finna go. Minivan
All
finna
right.
go. I'm scared. Minivan finna go. What's in the back?
We're off.
They got me. Oh God, they got me, cuz. They got me. Oh God, they got me. Mini speedboat. What's that? Boathouse? On me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough, man. Newsman just watching somebody's truck go. Sinking, it's gone. Not the RV. Not the RV, not the RV, not the RV. Stop it. Who's in there? Stop the RV. Oh no. 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 No, get in. Oh no. Stop the RV. Come on. Good. Good.
The roof of this yacht was unable to clear the bridge, but the
done.
driver insisted on proceeding, and the situation quickly became disastrous.
Should not have done that.
A crowd of spectators grew scared when they observed a ferry smash into a dock at the ferry building in San Francisco. Although no one was wounded, the boat was destroyed.
He is coming in
A
hot.
cruise ship is being backed up into the docks by someone who has no idea what they're doing. The
Cruise
pier
ship's
and the
in sync.
boat clash, causing a loud clanking metal sound to resound throughout the area, and the ship acquires a giant scar on its back.
He lost his job.
A big boat was being taken by a
No.
pickup truck. Suddenly, when the truck started turning, the
That
boat
joint's
fell
too
on
clean,
the road.
too. Not the.
One of the boats started turning,
Not the
the boat
big
fell
boat.
off, taken by a pickup.
Come on, you're the coolest guy on the lake with that boat. You get it to the house, you're the coolest guy on the lake. But it's
truck.
not.
Suddenly, when the truck started turning, the boat fell on the road. One of the boats was already
Yachts?
moored nearby.
Oh,
Another
man.
boat was moving when it collided with the already stopped boat, causing significant damage.
No, he was just giving him.
Stopped
He was just
boat
giving him a
causing
boost.
significant
battery died.
damage.
His battery died. And he's going crazy on that little metal John boat. Yes, sir. Oh, no, he lost it. No. Get up. No. Goofy ass nigga. Goofy ass nigga, bro. Ferry, why is the ferry coming in that high? Like, in all seriousness, why is the ferry coming in that high? Bro, that's ridiculous.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Ó, vai dar na balsa ali.
Lost his job. Bro, what the say, bro? That's a big old boat to be running into stuff.
Keep your eyes out for a surfer sitting on the edge of a boat as it rode up a massive wave. However, as soon as the boat passed over the crest, he lost his equilibrium and was flung out.
Oh, I hope he's okay. I hope he's okay.
This is what happens when you oversteer a boat. It could have turned out a lot worse if one of the guys wasn't still on board to fix the situation.
But what, nigga? What type of boat is that? This nigga has a flat bottom pontoon boat.
Oversteer a boat.
What
It
the
could have
fuck
turned
type
out
of
a
boat is
lot
this?
worse if one of the guys wasn't
There's-
still on board to fix
That is a homemade boat, bro. That is no cap a homemade boat.
the
These
situation.
niggas made a homemade boat and put a motor on it. Left, lost it. Hopefully, Oh, what type of boat is that? He just ran over the whole dock. Transport ship. Somebody probably got a Ferrari on there running crazy. He ran into the dock.
A jet skier turns into the path of an oncoming
no.
boat. In
Oh, no.
this footage, only moments before the incident that left him gravely injured.
The operator of a personal watercraft turns suddenly in front of a boat and is run over.
Done.
This driver most likely believed the
Cloud.
lake was enormous and that he had plenty of room to sail his boat. But this was clearly not the case. He sailed around in his boat as if it were no great thing.
Bro, these things do not be thinking, bro. Oh my gosh. Alright, boat or submarine? Oh, lost her. She's off. Oh, they lost a female. Help her. Help her. Fam, somebody help her. She's off the boat. And the water's going crazy. Somebody help her, bro. She's underwater, too busy focused trying to save her phone. Somebody save her. Somebody save her, please. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's done. They're done. Come on. Push off. Push off. Push off. Ooh, oh, they kayak sunk. They
The
sunk.
captain only had 13 seconds to make a decision. In order
Ain't no way. Ain't no way. The baby blue yacht.
The captain
Oh my god.
only had 13
That
seconds
is
to make a
too
decision.
sexy.
In order to avert a worse disaster, he purposefully collided with a yacht club's wooden dock. On the 17th
that
of
is
January
too sexy.
2021, a wreck of a bulk carrier named Arvin was discovered in the Black Sea off the coast of Turkey. The ship was bouncing around on the waves, and a section of it breaks away in seconds. That's about all for
Hey.
today's.
I hope bro was okay, man. If you like the video, like, comment, tell me what you want to see me react to. Again, subscribe, man. Join the family. I appreciate all the support from you guys, bro. Nothing's possible without you and God. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I keep God first. Hit subscribe, hit that bell, scroll up here always so you get notified every single time I upload. But until then, I'm going to see you when I see you.